Hey, this is Fred, the submarine guy. I wanted to thank you for coming over to my website. I've been marketing online for quite some time and figured out a lot of things. And I developed a site to help you be successful. So I just wanted to give you a short training here so you can kind of look and see all the things I've got here to help you out. So basically, there's three things you need to make money online. First of all, you have to have something to sell, right? That kind of makes sense. This could be your service or a product that you have, or some training that you have, or some articles that you have, or products from a network marketing company, or things like that. A lot of things that you can sell. You can literally create things out of thin air, articles or stories or books or videos or audios kind of thing, and sell them. So it's kind of a neat way to make money online. And depending on what your choices are, what your desires are, there's a lot of ways to do it. So having something to sell is number one. Number two is having somewhere to sell it. You've got to be able to have a website or a blog or somewhere to sell things. You know, you can be an affiliate at Amazon and sell products on Amazon, eBay the same way. Things like that. You can sell your services over on Odesk or those kind of sites where the people can come to look for you and your expertise. So there's a lot of places. The main way I think that you need to have though is have your own website. Now with WordPress blog, they're very easy to set up. It's just point and click. You can add words, text, increase the size of the font, thousands of different fonts. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add audio. Anything that you want to do with a website, you can do with a WordPress blog, and they're really cheap, $3 or $4 a month kind of thing to have a domain and get your own blog set up kind of thing. So you got to have somewhere to sell the stuff that you're going to sell. The last thing you need is you got to have someone to sell it to. You've got to have some people who want the products or services that you have. There's two ways you can get new customers. One is to attract them to you with articles or videos or audios that you put up on the web and link back to your sales page. The other way is you can actually buy services that know of people who want to buy your kind of stuff. Like I'm in the make money online niche, so I sell services to people who want to make money online, right? And there's services that I can go to who sell leads so that I can hire those guys for 50 cents per lead or 20 cents per lead or $1 per lead or things like that, to say, hey, send this guy over to my website and have him look. And if he opts in to my autoresponder, then I can sell him, my goods and services kind of thing. So you got to have someone to sell. So, of course, I wouldn't be a marketer if I didn't give you some things some ideas to sell. Like I said, I'm in the make money online niche, and I sell things that help people make money online. The things that I kind of sell, one of the things I sell is called a secret affiliate funnel. It's a really nice affiliate program that is only costs a couple of bucks, that gives you all the emails and all the kind of things you need to sell online. You can find that over at my site, Traffic Leads and Sales. Just look for a secret affiliate funnel. I've got a quick article and a lead capture page that you can find out about that. Somewhere to sell it. Again, I recommend a website that you put up your own blog on, your WordPress blog. I have one called Profit Center that I had the $5 Friday guy, Frank Andrus, made for me. I could not have done this myself. I've been making websites. Let me tell you a story. I've been making websites for 15 years or so using WordPress blogs. Okay. When they first came out, they were kind of hard to use. And then, Over the years, they got easier and easier to use, but I can't hold a candle to the website that Frank made for me using the Profit Center tab on my site. You can look at my site, you can look at the pages on my site and see how nice and professional and clean and attractive they look. Yours will be the same sort of way. So look at the Profit Center right here on, of course, trafficleadsandsales.com. You can get Frank to set up your site. I think his basic price is around $30 per year. I went for the 3-year option, which costs $90. That's about $3 a month, $4 a month, something like that. That's for the hosting stuff. And then he's got options for if you want to buy a branding module, if you want to buy a module which gives you 3 things to sell, a module if you want to have 5 things to give away as lead capture, lead magnet kind of things. There's one more option in there, I can't remember. Overall, I think I spent right around $300 total one time, which includes 3 years of hosting and all those things I just mentioned, plus a few others kind of thing. It's easy to update. It's easy to make new pages on. I strongly recommend you get a Profit Center website through Frank. And again, I'll have an article on trafficleadsandsales.com, which is my site, where you can lead that. And then you're going to need someone to sell to. While you're building up your Profit Center blog and your website with articles and sales pages and things like that, you're going to need to drive traffic to it with leads that you buy. You can either buy leads, remember, or you can drive them with attraction marketing kind of things. The attraction marketing takes a little while. You have to get those articles out there and get people looking at your articles either with videos or social media or different things. So that kind of takes a while. If you want to drive traffic to your website fast and make sales quickly, you'll want to buy leads. And I've got some recommendations again on trafficleadsandsales.com where you can do exactly that. So that's about it. Again, this is mainly just to welcome you to my site. I really appreciate you dropping by. Look up on the top. I've got a lot of free stuff you can pull down, read the article on the Coffee House letter, very important to understand what works best online. Also, the Follow Up or Die article. I wrote that article way back in '99 and I have updated it 20 or 30 times since then. But that'll tell you exactly how to market and make sales and that kind of thing. So those articles will help you no matter what you're doing. And if you've got any questions, my contact info is on the site. One of the pull downs, I can't remember exactly where it is, but you can contact me via email or on my site. You can find my phone number as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.